Okay.
Hi, friends. Welcome to a brand new adventure on the Wild Path. Today, we're heading to Niagara Falls, and it's going to get really wild. We're riding the Maid of the Mist to get super close to the falls. Wind, water, and everything. Do you think we'll stay dry or get totally soaked? Let's find out.
Okay. So, here comes the water.
We have to cross a bridge to get to the boat. Everyone's getting ready for the big splash.
All the blue people.
We're on the Maid of the Mist, and that means we're on Team Blue. But if you see red ponchos, that's Team Canada over there on the horn blower. And we're off on the Maid of the Mist. Look, we're getting closer and closer to the falls. First up, the American Falls.
Look at this waterfall. Holy smokes! This waterfall is cool.
You're right, buddy. This is so cool. Now hold on tight, because the real challenge is just around the corner.
Bravo! Oh, wow. Wow. Is this crazy?
Look here, I'm getting wet.
Wow.
The Horseshoe Falls are 180 feet high, and they allow 6 million cubic feet of water over the crest line every minute. That's about 1 million bathtubs full of water.
Is it crazy?
Bed, this is awesome. We were right in the belly of the beast, and we found out that no poncho can ever save us from this storm.
Oh my God, Theo, this is awesome.
Theo, how was the storm?
Good.
Good? You like the storm?
In this video, did you spot the hidden shark emoji? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because next time, we're exploring something as cool as Niagara Falls. See you there.
Stay wild. Stay free.